Ano nangyayari dun sa empleyado natin? That's not an excuse because we're being paid by the organization to deliver result. If a talent is new in the organization, you give him 6 months. That is provided in the 6 months. Continuously, the leader provides him feedback. We don't give feedback at the end of the 6 months probation, regardless if the feedback is positive or negative. Then the talent now can rise above whatever challenges. Now, kung amidst the feedback, the talent seemingly is not helping himself or herself, ibang usapan yon. Ang una nating responsibility is ano nangyayari dun sa empleyado natin. Baka may nangyayari sa personal life niya. Now, having shared that, that's not an excuse not to perform. It's because we're being paid by the organization to deliver result. Now, inalam na natin, tinulungan na natin, then that is the time leaders will have to make the decision if they will keep the talent or not.